Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to withdraw money from Bitget. In order to do this, you first have to launch your Bitget mobile application, and then you need to provide your email address and your password, and you simply need to log in into your account. Now once you've successfully logged in, you need to tap on the Assets tab in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Over here, by default, you will be on this overview page, but you need to tap on Spot and then you will be landed on this Spot page. Now over here, you just have to select that particular crypto which you want to withdraw. Let's say I want to withdraw USDT, so I'll simply tap on USDT. Here you will have to tap on the withdraw option and then you will have to select the option of on-chain withdrawal. Once done, you will be landed on this page where it will select the TRC20 network for you. But if you want to change your network, then you will have to tap on this option and then you are going to see a bunch of different other networks like ERC20, BEP20, etc. and the associated fee that you need to pay if you initiate the transfer. So you just have to select any of the networks as you want. For this video, I'm going to keep it as TRC20. Then it will ask you to add the withdrawal address. So in this section, you just have to add the deposit address from any other exchanges or wallets. After that, you just have to enter the amount of withdrawal. Then you will have to tap on the withdraw button in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. On the next page, you just have to review the information that you have mentioned previously, and then you just have to confirm your withdrawal. This way you will be able to easily withdraw your money from Bitget. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.